friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to talk on Hover Scrubber reviews and find out whether this product is a legit one or not. Also friends, this product is not ours, and if you have never ordered this product yet, our unbiased review on this product will help you decide the answer to this question: should I buy this product or not? Moreover friends, if you have experienced any fraud over this product, then I request you all to watch this video till end, as I will share a way to get your money back. Guys, let's start with the product and find out what all is it offering to the customers. Guys, this Hover Scrubber is a deluxe mop that helps you clean and scrub your home like the professional do. Guys, payment option about this product is not mentioned here in the website, but yes, as you click on the catalog, you will find the price of the product, which is $89.99. Coming back to the home page, here you will find that this website's specifications and all the benefits are clearly mentioned over this page. But guys, before I move further and talk about the legitimacy points of this product, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel as well. Guys, this will definitely boost our spirit to make more such videos for your assistance. I have gone through the product thoroughly to come up with its true picture and help you make the decision right. So guys, this product comes with excellent specifications. It is a cordless and rechargeable mop. You will not require to wait for the charging because it is faster. Also guys, it will clean and polish all the hard surfaces without putting much efforts, because this does not works on a manual basis. It is a cordless and rechargeable battery operating system. Guys, this mop comes with reusable pads, so you will not face much problem in cleaning even the dirty surface at your place. Guys, this cordless rechargeable mop is better than any other manual mop. Also, this product is available on many sites, and you will find that every site display a different price of the product, which is quite confusing guys. Talking about this website, hoverscrubber.com, this website is in existence from last 3 years and it is selling this product. Guys, this product is a highly demanded product in United States. Most of the people are buying this product and have given positive reviews about the product. They have said that even their kids love to mop the place. Once they have received the product, they are using it and they are commenting happy reviews about this. Guys, also this product comes with a washable microfiber pads, and it has a dual rotating head along with a power wedge, so that you do not face any problem while cleaning the hardest surface at your place. You can use this product for your home, for office or any other cleaning purpose. So guys, overall I would love to say that this is a 100% legit product. It has a lot of customer reviews. It is also present on social media platforms and YouTube channels. So guys, I would recommend you guys to buy this product, but make sure you do all the research before buying the product to find out where you can buy this product at the cheapest rates. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. So I would like you all to comment your thoughts about this video, but make sure guys, if you are waiting to get your money back, then check the link given in our description box. Guys, share your comments with us because we read all your comments over every video. So don't stop commenting guys. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed our channel yet, this is the right time to subscribe our channel. Be informed, be safe. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.